My name is Rosin, and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer here at Penn Medicine. Have a team of people, a great team of people, with lots of different skill sets. And we work on improving the way we deliver healthcare. In fact, trying to think of it more in terms of how do we keep people healthy and get them to better health outcomes. Technology is everywhere across healthcare right now. Technology really allows us to do things we've never been able to do, from improving how doctors are able to communicate with each other and with the rest of the care team, how doctors communicate with the patient, how they get information that they need to care for the patients, even how we communicate with people once they go home. So technology really cuts across just about everything we do. And technology in every different form. There's a large range of what you might consider technology. Certainly coding and programming is a critically important one. But imagining how technology can be used is equally important. I think sometimes people don't realize that the technologies they're familiar with in everyday use can be incredibly impactful. When we think about even getting people more active, a big part of health, preventative health, involves devices like Fitbits, which people probably see out in the world, pedometers, or scales, where they step on the scale and it transmits their weight, and we know whether they're having an issue that we probably wouldn't have seen in the past because we didn't have technology, and we didn't have technology that talked to each other. I think that doctors and nurses, and for that matter, lawyers and bankers and people who work in grocery stores are going to need to be fluent in technology. It really is becoming not only how you get your work done, but how you translate ideas into actions and outcomes. So when people are doing any job and they see a problem, they see an issue, when they are comfortable with technology and when they feel like they are capable of controlling the technology instead of the other way around, they're able to come up with solutions that other people really can't think about. There was a case not long ago where some residents who were well-versed in technology, they had a problem where they couldn't get in touch with the other people who they needed to have to treat a patient. And they thought about this problem. They knew that some of the contact information was inside our systems, and they built an application to make it very easy to get in touch with anyone else who you might need to consult to get information that helped you treat a patient and make good decisions quickly. I believe that our future employees are going to be really great at coming up with a whole range of technology-oriented solutions, from coding to texting to video chat to images, the things that cameras can do to capture pictures that give us information, to a whole range of other things, 3D printing, where they actually can imagine how they might create something right then and there that didn't exist before, and to robotics, where in fact maybe this is something that requires precision that a robotic arm is really good at doing in a surgical context or otherwise. So there is a broad range of technology skills and technology awareness that will be important to future employees who want to make a difference in healthcare and keeping people healthy or curing people who are sick. Having a daughter myself, I want her to feel very comfortable around technology. I want her to feel empowered that when she has an idea, she can use technology to build something, to solve that problem, to understand that problem, to test different ways of going about attacking that problem. So when I see the fact that we have a predominantly male culture in technology, that some of the best technologists I've ever worked with are women, and I have a daughter who I want to not only have her be successful, but have her be confident no matter what profession she chooses. That's the kind of problem that I think of TechGirlz, and I say what TechGirlz is doing is going after that and training a generation of women, of girls, to say, we can do this. We're smart, we're capable, we're comfortable around technology, and we can solve important problems.